Today, I'll show you how to sew belt loops for thick fabrics using a clean and professional method. This technique is especially helpful when your main fabric is too bulky to simply fold and top stitch. First, cut a strip from your main fabric that is 3 centimeters wide, then cut a second strip from a thinner fabric. This will be your facing strip, measuring 2.5 centimeters in width. Place the facing strip right sides together onto the main fabric strip. Align them along one long edge and stitch them together lengthwise. Now fold the facing strip around the seam allowance so it wraps neatly to the inside. You'll notice how this reduces bulk and creates a clean edge. Next, fold in the seam allowance along the opposite long edge of the main fabric strip. Then fold in the side with the facing strip as well. Top stitch close to the edge along the length of the strip to secure everything in place. Finally, top stitch the other side as well. Your belt loop is now clean, stable, and much less bulky, perfect for thicker fabrics. Thank you so much for your interest, and have a look at our YouTube channel for more tutorial videos around sewing and our garments.